Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to find the longest subsequence where each character occurs at least k times. Let's have a look at the problem statement. Given a string s and an integer k, find other string t such that t is the largest subsequence of given string s and each character of t must occur at least k times in the string s. Let's have a look at some examples. For input string s is equal to geeks for geeks and k equal to 2, output will be geeks geeks as each character appears twice in this. For input string s is equal to b triple a b double a c b a and k equal to 3, output will be b triple a b double a b a. The simple solution is to generate all the subsequences. For every subsequence, check if it has all the characters at least k times. Find the longest such subsequence. The time complexity of this approach is exponential. Efficient approach would be to take another array to keep the record of count of each characters from string s. If any of the characters occurred more than or equal to k times, then we simply print it. Now let's look at the implementation. We create an array A to store the count of all the characters. Traverse the string and for each character I, do string of I minus A of string of I minus A plus plus. Now the count array is filled. Then print the characters with count greater than or equal to k in the same order as they appear in the string. Traverse the string and check if A string I minus A is greater than or equal to k, then print string I. The time complexity of this solution is order n as we use single loops for string traversal. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.